Department of Management Manipur Technical University na sinduna Corporate Leaders Conclave 5.0 pangthokre Hotel Infalgi Sangai Holder Transforming Ideas into Impact Bridging Innovation Industry and Society haiba teamda pangthokkiba thoramaduda Dr. Thangjam Davali Singh Chairman and Managing Director of Babina Group of Companies na chief guest Dr. KH Ratan Kumar Singh Chairman cum Managing Director Mothers Care Children Hospital and Research Center na guest of honor Professor W. Chandrababu Singh, Vice Chancellor, Manipur Technical University na President Oina Sarukyaki.
Nasi sinzari event Corporate Leaders Conclave 5 asi Department of Management Manipur Technical University ki MBA Saturn sunna sinzaba thawni jai kuding ki event asida Manipur da leriba businessmen entrepreneurs mayam si pullaga platform ama pinaba tanja ama lawjabani maru oiba pandamdi thawna sigi Manipur ki kachin boya da leriba businessmen amadi startup innovators mayam si pullaga business experience maru oina MBA Chhatra singha interaction tawraga mogi struggle challenges failure success Manipur da business tawbada akhanaba kari kanamba darkar lay habadu angang sindagi hangaga interaction tawraga moigi problem sing solve tawnaba amadi ziki business tawnba kangu sing asina kamaina tawba yagani hena sinjabani sida yawriba si Chhatra khattana tana business Manipur da layriba hanidagi establish tawraba adigi business tawge na khaliba mayam asi pullakandi interaction session panel session technical session kaya musuk sinjari session sigi manu masida moina kamaina business tawba yai kari problem thingnagani future da business ki fundraising assistance lairadi karamba bank da kamaina chalakanda kuni fundraise tawba asi karamba moonda line tawba yagani haiba singa si koina expert panelists mayam ama kawrakanda discussion gi session su sinjari chahi kudingi program si sinjagani mathang chahi da su hena chauna sinnaba MBA Chhatra singna kan honajari aduna mathang chahi gi event su business enterprises singna khaipumna makna amuka participate tawna sinjari